Hey, let's see loops in C. There are three types: for, while, do while. Hey, wait, but what is this loops in C? Okay, loop means execution of the statements repeatedly until a condition satisfies. Okay, until, hey, this is a theoretical definition. Oh, then let's see an example. Okay, cool. So here is one problem statement. Okay, when a user will enter 5, then we have to show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is until 5. Yeah, all the numbers below 5. When you enter 2, then 0, 1, right? So here I will use for loop. Okay. Now to take input from the user, we need a variable, right? Let's say int number. Okay. Then we will scan, that is we will take input from the user, let's say number. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, now we have this 5 in the number. Okay, now we need one more variable to hold all these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let's call it runner. Okay, now we will use this for, first we have to do initialization. Runner equals to 0. That is, as you can see in all these cases output, we have to show first 0, right? So here its runner value is 0, we will print it first. %d, as you can see after number there is a space, so we will give space and then runner. Okay, so 0 will be printed, 0 and space. Now we have to increment the value of runner, right? So here you can increment value with by 1, right? So runner equals to runner plus 1, we can say that, but there is a shortcut in C, plus plus. So the plus plus operator will increment the runner value by 1. Okay, cool, right? Now next, condition. What do we want? That we have to execute this printf until it reaches the number, right? So initially the 0 will be less than 5, right? And then 1 is less than 5, until when it becomes 5, 5 is less than 5? No, right? It means until this runner value is less than number, we have to execute this, right? That's it. Printf. Okay, /n. Cool. This is for loop we want. Okay, cool. Let's execute this. Okay, here it is waiting for input. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got the output, right? Let's run again. Let's give something 20. Yeah, we got it. Cool. Let's see another problem. While. Okay, for while. See, here is you can see this is a problem statement. If you enter 5, then we have to print the table of the 5. Okay, if we enter 2, table of 2, right? Cool. So as you know, we need first a number to take input from the user, %d ampersand number. Cool. Now next, what next? We need a runner, obviously here too, right? So how the table forms, you know, right? So this is what we entered, number 5, and now every time what we have to do, we have to increment the value and multiply it with number, that is 5 into 1, that becomes 5, and then 5 into 2, that becomes 10, until 10, right? So the value of the runner will be 1. Now we have to execute, we have to print, right? We have to print until the value of the runner will become 10, right? Here as you see, until 10. Now printf %d space, as you can see 5 into 1, right? That is number into runner. That's it. And then increment the value of runner, and then printf /n. Let's run this. Oh, I'm executing wrong one. While enter 5. Woohoo, we got Simple, right? Hey, now let's see do while example. Okay, so here what I will do is, you already seen this right example, the switch case. So what I'm going to do, we want to execute this selection of the juice until user want. Okay, we will let the user continue, and until user want he can select. Okay, let's do this using the do while loop. The do while loop, in this case, in do while the statements will execute at least once, because the condition is checked at the end. So first we need this number, obviously, yes, then do. Okay, we want to execute this everything. Okay, yeah, and while some condition. Okay, so wait till this some condition. Okay, so first this all get executed, this option will be printed, then this will from this case something will execute, and then what we want is printf will say enter 1 to continue. Okay, now let's take the not switch, we want scan %t. Okay, and then we'll take the choice in the number. Okay, now until this number is exactly equals to 1, execute, right? When user enter 1, then we have to execute. Okay, cool, let's try this, run this. Oh, this is while loop. No, we won't do while. Okay, let's run. So enter option 4, 1 to continue, yes I want to continue, then 2, yes I want to continue, then 4, yeah I want to, no I want to stop. Yeah, cool, this is how do while works. Okay, that's it, thank you.